Hey, what's up YouTubers? Welcome to another video of Alex's Gamer Channel. Today I've got two plushies to show you. For this plushie is a American bird or a parrot, whatever it's called. As you know, you don't see these parrots or birds in the UK. You might find them in America though. And I found out these are American. And sorry guys, I'm just thinking about this parrot though. And if you guys like parrots, if you guys know what this parrots what we call this parrots though in America though, and what kind of parrot, what kind of bird or a parrot this is though, go and comment below, because I'm not too sure if it's from America or not. Okay, let's move on. Sorry, I just dropped my thing. The next one I'm going to show you is another snake plushie that I got last Monday that I forgot to show you guys. I got that 2 days ago, which is good. I like buying snakes because they're small. A snake. I've shown you before a lot of two of my snake plushies, the few, and I just bought another snake. I don't know why I keep going that noise. It's just he slithers a lot though. If you know snakes, they're reptiles. I don't know why I like reptiles. I like reptiles better because they look quite cute. Okay guys, we're gonna leave it there. If you like this video, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to Alex's Gamer Channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.